Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So find the limits of this sequence as n tends to infinity. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, factorize out the n factorial. So if you look at the denominator, factorize out n factorial. So n factorial. So just looking at the denominator, rewrite as this: 1 over n factorial plus plus 5. So now if you get this times this, that will then give you the 1. This times this will give you 5 n factorial. So rewrite this as this. So basically factorize out n factorial. Now exactly the same divided by exactly the same, so it becomes 1 over this thing here. And then as n tends to infinity, this is going to be very, very big. 1 divided by very, very big will be 0. So here you've got 1 over 5. So the limit is 1 over 5. Okay. So next one. So find the limit of this sequence as n tends to infinity. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so similar trick to earlier, but this time factorize out n to the power of n. So this time looking at the denominator, factorize out n to the power of n. So you've got this thing here. So just looking at the denominator, you factorize out n to the power of n. So here you will have 1, and then you've got plus, and then let's just leave this exactly the same, 3n minus 1, and then divided by n to the power of n. So now if you get this times this, that will then give you n to the power of n. This times this, that will then give you this. So rewrite this as this. And by the way, this is exactly the same as this thing here. So basically, rewrite this as this. So now exactly the same. So divide top and bottom by n to the power of n to the power of n. So this will disappear, this will disappear. So you've got a 2, and then what's left, and then what's left. Oh, wait there. But you can actually tidy this up here. So here you've got n to the power of n. Let's just imagine n is 5. So here you have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. If we imagine n to be 5, then this would be forget about this 3 for the time being. That would be 5 to the power of 1 less, which is 4. So 4. So it's like this. So you can imagine that these two will cancel out, leaving you with a 3, and then whatever n may be. So the point here is that you can simplify this to this. If you think about it, this will then take you to this. Think about it. It does take you from here to here. So now as n tends to infinity, this thing here is going to head towards 0. So 2 divided by 1, which is 2. So the limit is 2. Okay.